Hey guys, it's Kim and I have a cleaning video for you today. I have just the regular mess that we normally deal with on the day-to-day. And I did want to share with you this whiteboard that I use. I get asked what I do for my cleaning routine and how I stay organized. And primarily I use this board. So it's just like a Dollar Tree whiteboard, but it works so well. So what I have here is my weekly cleaning. I do much better when I have one room assigned. So today is Tuesday and I have the master bedroom as like my main cleaning area, and I already ran our Roomba in there, so I'm gonna do some dusting. And that brings us down to this little list here. This side over here is the list that I use for like my to-dos that I want to get done during nap time or quiet time for my kiddos. So today I want to pick up everything that's out of place, do the dishes, put everything into the dishwasher, sweep the floors, dust the bedroom, and then my husband's going on a work trip, so I need to pull out his suitcase. This section here is our meal plan for the week. On this side, I have any activities that we have planned. I do use a regular planner for like appointments and things like that. This list over here is things I want to get done, but aren't necessarily like on my immediate right now to-do list. For an inexpensive way to stay organized, I would try a whiteboard like this. Let's get cleaning, and I'm going to start just by picking up and then getting to the dishes. So here I'm just cleaning up a bit after our homeschool preschooling that I'm doing with my 4.5-year-old. She does go to just a traditional preschool a couple days a week, but I decided to do some homeschooling with her just to make sure she is ready for kindergarten. Here I was just showing you where I put our materials that we're working on for the day. And in that blue organizer, I have a lot of the homeschooling supplies. There is some clothes under the table for some reason. I'm going to grab that quick. In that little organizer there on the top is where we keep all of our craft supplies. And just let me know if you'd like me to do any videos on homeschooling or our homeschooling routine. Just give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more of that kind of content from me. So this isn't just a pile of laundry on the floor. This is all laundry that was all around the house. So I like to make one pile of it instead of running back and forth to the hamper, which is in our closet. I tend to do this with a lot of my cleaning. So we'll put all the dishes in one spot before putting them away and put all the laundry in one spot before putting away. We also have a basket at the end of the stairs that we put anything that needs to go upstairs. Cleaning this way helps to really cut down on a lot of time and a lot of like running back and forth from room to room. I just wanted to show you guys the lunchbox that my daughter is using for preschool. We absolutely love it. It's called the Yum Box. It's kind of like a bento box type of container, and it's been so perfect for her. I highly, highly recommend it if you have a preschooler or a young school-aged child. So I'll link it below in the description if you're interested in checking that out. I have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and they both eat breakfast at this island, so it is always just a mess underneath. So sometimes getting down on your hands and knees and just scrubbing the floor is necessary. So I'm sharing this clip with you all because I really hope when you're watching YouTube cleaning videos, you're not discouraged about how clean these people's houses look. The camera makes your house look significantly cleaner than it actually is. I totally realize my head is cut off in almost all of the clips in this video, so please forgive me for that. But I hope this at least gave you some cleaning motivation, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I do not have comments currently, thanks to YouTube, but if you would like to continue the conversation, hop on over to my Instagram. I will leave that linked below. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.